Welcome to Tally Help videos. In Tally Prime, you can record sales transactions with VAT and e-invoice details, including discounts and additional charges wherever applicable. You can also include reasons for any applicable discounts, allowances, or charges in the transactions, making it e-invoicing compliant. Before you begin, ensure that e-invoicing is enabled for your company. Your business is registered on the FTA portal. E-invoicing registration is completed using Tally Prime. Now, record the sales transaction by specifying the required voucher details. After selecting the party, review the party details for e-invoice screen and update as needed. Similarly, after entering the amount in the tax details screen, select the nature of transaction and the reason for allowance. Select the applicable ledgers like discount, charge, and VAT. Next, set Provide VAT and e-invoice details to Yes. Review the bill details. These details appear if Enable Billwise entry is disabled in F11 Company Features. If required, set Override Due Date and Adjusted Prepaid Amount to Yes to modify the due date or prepaid amount for the invoice. Verify the due date, total bill amount, adjusted prepaid amount, and pending amount payable. If any discount or allowance is applicable, select the appropriate allowance reason from the list of reasons. The selected reason explains why the allowance or discount has been provided and forms part of the e-invoice information. Similarly, if any additional charges are applicable, select the appropriate reason for additional charges from the list of reasons. Once you have reviewed and updated the details as needed, press Ctrl+A to accept the screen. Press Ctrl+A again to save the voucher. The option to upload invoices directly from Tally Prime is not yet available. Therefore, when you attempt to upload the invoice, this message appears. However, you can continue to record and manage transactions with e-invoice details in Tally Prime. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime,